saw the previous video that I did, which is multicolour foiling without a laminator, you would have seen this. And I said I was going to give it a go with an iron. So like I said in the previous one, you don't have to use a laminator. The technique that we did this with, I just cut up bits of foil using parchment paper, and I used the heat tool, and it worked lovely. So then it was after, well, it was as I was coming to the end of the video, and I thought to myself, well, I could use an iron as well. So I've got myself my little travel iron here, got that plugged in. I think it's, yeah, it's on about 130 degrees. Now, I could use these bits, and if I do, I'm going to get the patterns left over from using this one. So I thought, look, let's give it a go. If it goes wrong, it goes wrong. But you never know until you try. Colour shiny side up, so not the dull side. You want shiny side. That bit doesn't belong there. Okay, so I've covered that. Now I'm going to place my parchment paper down, and then I'm just going to iron. So let me just... Now I'm not worried if I miss bits, because I can always go back in and do it again. You can, if you want, you could actually iron direct onto the foil. It's not going to hurt it. I just prefer to do it this way, because then I know I'm just protecting my iron if I need to. Okay, this is cool. Right, so what's happened? Oh, okay, let me just get these little bits. I missed a bit down here. Oh, I get so excited and then I don't do it properly. Okay, let's just get a bit more heat. I always end up putting more heat up the top than I do at the bottom. So I'm just going to hold that down and make sure I've got some nice pressure along with the heat. Now, bear in mind, we're using bits of foil here that have got pieces missing from when we used it on here. So I'm going to get that through this, so it's not all going to go on solid. I'm just going to get bits and pieces. Oh, look. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, do you know, I've just had another idea. Oh wow, look at that. That just looks beautiful. Bits there we can go back in, and can you see where it's all creased? Those are coming out on here. I didn't know this was going to happen. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. Okay. Oh, look, that is just so gorgeous. It's like it's sort of like a leopard skin effect, and then there's bits of solids, and oh, right, I'm going to get another piece of this. In fact, I think I've got some next to me, because now, right, let's just open this up. So these are out of the background art ones, and I've just had another idea. Might work, might not work, who knows, but I want to do it on something that's got solids like this. And I'm going to take, right, let's just get rid of them. I will chop that down, but I'll chop it down afterwards. I'm going to screw up. This is some ice blue. And I'm screwing it up. I don't know whether this is going to work. Let's just try. So I've screwed up the foil. I'm just placing the iron on, so nice pressure. So whether that's going to flatten it out completely, I have no idea. Let's have a look. Oh my goodness. I love it. Look at that. That just looks stunning. So let's use that same piece again. And we just come down here. Because it was only a little off cut. Okay. And you know, sometimes you can just leave the rest of it black. And it just looks lovely. But it's only going to go wherever the toner is. Oh, seriously. Look at that. Oh, well, I hope you're liking it as much as I do. That is just beautiful. Okay, now, I wonder... Let's try this. I'm just going to chop a piece off because I'm only going to do half and just see if it works. So let's just stick, put that on there. So this time I'm not screwing it up or anything. I'm just placing it on flat. This is the glitter gold. So this is just using my little travel iron. I've got it set on 130. I'm not sure if all travel irons have a little setting like that. But I would have said that's like a linen. So you don't want it on steam. You don't want it on cotton. Let's have a look. Da, 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 da. Is it going to work? Is it going to work? Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness. Oh, look. And then the blue is coming through. Oh, I love that. See, look, I've got more blue here. So if let me just chop another bit. I'm going to just go about there. And again. So nice pressure, because it's all about heat and pressure with foil and toner. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh, seriously. Do you know what? A crafter would look at that and think, how on earth have you managed that? And this is how. So you just take a piece, you screw it up, you're going to get those lines. Some places it's going to be heavier. Let's see if I can, there's little bits of black. I think once it's done, I don't think we're going to achieve much more. Let's have a look. This was the screwed up bit, wasn't it? So lots and lots of pressure. It's the only time I enjoy getting an iron out. Yeah, no, I didn't think it would. So wherever the foil is taken, then it's not going to take again. Seriously, look at that. Let me just see if I can get a good shot of that. Look at those hearts there. Look at that one. Just stunning. Absolutely. Oh my God. Right, okay, so I've got another idea now. So, okay, let me just put that aside. I'm gonna stick with the blue and the gold still. I'm gonna go like that. I'm gonna take a piece of the panel, one of the solid panels. I'm gonna cut it down. And then, oh, where's my till? Look, I'm all in a tither now because I'm excited. Okay. Let's get some more of this. Now, this might not work. I feel like I always have to say that because I just get ideas in my head and then I'm like, oh, let's try it, let's try it. Okay, so let's just move that out of the way. Again, I'm going to screw this up. Get rid of any bits on there. So screw it up nice and tight. And then open it out, but leave those creases in there. Let's put that on there. Actually, look, I've done that really lightly, so I'm just going to see. Okay, so that's really light, so I've hardly got anything on there. So you do need pressure. I might end up covering the whole thing in the ice blue. Oh, look. Right, I'm going to do a little bit more there. Go a little bit pressure. I probably could have done a bit more pressure. Okay, let's take that off there. And now let's put the gold over there. Oh yeah. Oh, do you know, I like where you leave a little bit of black as well. Okay, that's really gone loads on there. Maybe I put too much pressure on. I don't know. Let's have a look at, what was that bit? I've still got stuff there. I'm just trying all different things now. Okay. Oh, that's better. Okay. I'll be back. Okay, so from this, I've cut 2 hearts. I'm going to do something just so simple. Let's get some little... Oh, it just looks gorgeous. I hope you're seeing it on camera like I'm seeing it. It is just stunning. Okay, because I've got the blue on there, so I'm just gonna, this is just my Superior Smooth White cardstock. I'm gonna do my heart there. Look, I could foil that. Thanks for everything. Do you know what? I really like it left black, but is that me just being naughty? I like it. See, so this is from one of the sentiments, Sweet Sentiments. Yeah, thanks for everything. You don't have to foil these. I mean, they are for foiling, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. You could leave that like that. I could actually ink that, so then that would go a different colour inside, etc. But, do you know, I think I'm just going to leave it plain. Oh, I feel bad leaving it plain. I feel like it should be foiled. Oh, dear. Let's just... Oh, we're just doing this so simple, but it just looks so effective. All the work is in that. All the work. Let's just throw a bit of... I'm sorry I'm not foiling you, but it just shows the versatility. And then look, just thanks for everything. Oh my goodness. How stunning is that? Oh, and think snowflakes in silver and ice blue. Oh my goodness. And you could do a few colours. You don't have to just do 2 colours. You could do 3, 4. So from playing around with this technique, we've come to this. And do you know what? I just think we can just go on and on and on. And that's why, I mean, I love all the Fab Foilers. I'll show you if you haven't seen them. what they are. So we've got the Sweet Sentiments. There's 16 cards in each pack. And on the design ones, there's 4 designs. So 4 of each. So Sweet Sentiments. So remember, anything that's black is the bit that's going to take the foil. Then we've got background art. So you've got stripes, circles, hearts. So it's nice that the hearts are solid because that's where that technique worked really nice. Where is it? There it is. Oh, I just love it. I love it, love it, love it. Sorry, I get very excited. And then this one is Love and Hugs. And this has got some fabulous backgrounds. And then these gorgeous sentiments. Absolutely love these. So just foil those, cut them out, stick them on. I'm going to make something out of this. I don't know what yet, but I will show it at the end of the video. And then these ones, these are my absolute favourites because you can do so many things with them. I really love the solid panels. So thanks ever so much for watching. Stay on till the end and I'll see what I make from this. Hopefully I can make something. Thanks. Bye.